I would describe our community as supportive, passionate, and with that also comes nerdy.
It's not every day that I can talk to someone about some circuit I'm designing and they get just as excited as me when I'm talking about it.
Everyone is so friendly and so welcoming, and that has been my experience throughout my 4 years here.
The M-Climb my freshman year was just a wonderful experience, getting to meet the other freshmen.
So going up Mount Zion to hike up to the M, it's really the first time you're getting to meet a lot of your classmates and see a more playful side of them.
It's been so nice to have that tradition and have that shared experience and see people from freshman year all the time all around campus.
People are always there to support each other, whether it's getting through homework or just a tough day or a bad exam, or I guess other great opportunities like going out and snowboarding and whatnot. I guess being an order to me means always being there for each other.
I don't think I've ever felt like a competitive atmosphere at Mines. It's not like, oh, I need to get a better score than everyone else. I think throughout my time here, it's always been more collaborative. How can we help each other pass these classes?
Everyone knows each other, where even if you don't know that person in particular, but you have a common friend. So I think this allowed me to create a network of connections.
Colorado School Mines gives us the friends to go do fun things with and the location to go hiking and go to Denver and have fun. But then obviously we're all focused on our academics and getting our degree. So it gives us people who we can relate to on a scientific, mathematical, engineering level. And I think that's what makes Mines itself.
Mines is a community for problem solvers. If you want to solve problems in the world and you want to be prepared to solve those problems, you can come to Mines.
Everybody here is very driven and they want to contribute something to the world around them that's special.
I definitely think Mines has prepared me for success no matter what I do. They've definitely taught me to work hard, and I guess even when you come to a problem, going to other people and getting help is not really something to be ashamed of. And I guess putting in the extra hours to get it done and help the people who help you get it done. And I think that's a big part of succeeding, no matter what your field, whether it's engineering or literally anything else.
I think Mines really does teach you how to learn on your own. Of course there's support and professors and TAs if you need the help, but the thing I found the most valuable is being given a project with some guidance and having to fill in the steps in between. And so the ability to take a problem and break it down into pieces and solve it on your own is really what I think gives me the problem-solving skills that make me confident to go into whatever role I have.
I think that the combination of the challenges and the opportunities that Mines presents, as well as the grit and the resiliency that comes in the students, is just such a unique place to have those two together and really creates amazing opportunities.
The rigor of the chemical engineering curriculum here at Mines has really shown me that if I put my mind to it, I can accomplish anything that I really try to accomplish. So really excelling here has made me very confident about my future goals, for sure.
I feel like a part of life is trying to find people who understand you and get excited about the same things as you do. And that's what I found here at Mines.